right, boys and girls. So this week we are going to be, in our phonics lesson, we are going to be talking about homophones, words that sound the same but have different meanings. And really there is not a way to go through and teach you all the homophones possible. But usually when they give it to you, the strategy we want to use is they'll say, like, for example, look right here. The wind blew through the house. And sometimes they might put this blue and they would say change blue to blue. So really the only way for you to check that is to get a dictionary and look up the definitions of each one. There's not, some of these words you know most of it too, but maybe sometimes we don't know if I'm using the correct spelling or not. So what we're going to do is today and tomorrow and over the next couple days, we are just going to do some practice, and then probably Thursday or Friday, you'll just have a little short quiz over some homophones. So let's look at some homophones that we can see here. So first of all, homophones are words that sound the same, but they're spelt differently, and they have different meanings also. So let's look at some that might be kind of popular for you. The word break and break. So this break right here means like I'm braking in my car. And this word right here means like I broke something or I'm taking a break from my schoolwork. So there's lots of meanings there. We talked about blue and blue, board and board. So this board means I'm like hammering a board into the wall. And this board means like, I am so bored. So what I would like for you to do is I'm going to just kind of scroll through here, and you can pause this as you want to be able to see some of these words. And I want you to, what we're going to do in class is we're going to turn and talk to a partner, and we're just going to look at different words and use them in a sentence to practice to make sure we understand the different meanings of these words. So if you want to pause it and talk with a parent at your house or older brother or sister and practice putting these into a sentence so that you can be familiar with them. This is a big one in 4th grade is no and no. This no means I know something, and this no means like, no, you're not going to do that. That's a big one in 4th grade. Sorry, I'll try to, I'm looking for there. Through and through, I see that one quite a bit. They don't have there on there, but let's look at two, and two. That one is a really big one in the 4th grade. I went to the store. I want to go to, meaning like also, or I am 2 years old. So that one has lots of different homophones there that have different meanings. I've seen waste and waste quite a bit, and I just saw another one I saw often. Oh, I don't know where it went. So I just want you to kind of go through these words. Oh, through and through. Yeah. So go through these words with somebody. You don't have to do all of them, but just kind of pause and get yourself familiar with some homophones and using the right spelling in the right sentence. I've posted a link that has some cards. So you just kind of, if you want to print them out and cut them, you just lay them upside down and you match them and then use them in sentences. It's just kind of what we're doing here, but a little bit of a game if you would like to do some extra practice.